Who doesn't like ice cream? Well, we're going to look at how you can make ice cream both dairy, and if you don't want dairy, you can make it with coconut milk and coconut cream. So we're going to use 3 cups, which this is only 2, but we're going to need 3 cups of either cream or a combination of full-fat coconut milk and coconut cream of your choice. And then we're going to have 3 egg yolks. We're going to have 2 to 3 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, a little bit of vanilla, and about 1/8 teaspoon of salt. That's it. We're going to mix it up. We're going to put it into, this is a Cuisinart ice cream maker I've had for probably 25 years. This part right here goes into a really good cold freezer. And then we have the paddle that goes inside, and we have the lid that we will use to turn on. And then we're going to pour the ice cream right in there. So let's get going. We're going to make the ice cream. It takes about 25 to 28 minutes to process, and then we're going to come back and dig out that amazing, delicious ice cream. Okay, we've got our 3 egg yolks that we're going to put into a mixing bowl, or I have this pitcher that I like, and we're going to put our sweetener in.
Can you talk about sweeteners for a second?
There's all kinds of sweeteners you can use. This one happens to work for me. It's a blend of monk fruit and erythritol, which doesn't work for everybody. So if that doesn't work for you, I don't have it here, but I've actually used just the monk fruit liquid drops, about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. It doesn't take a lot. So the sweetener of your choice, because everybody is different. Okay, we have the vanilla, we have the egg yolks, we have the sweetener, and just about 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And why salt?
Yes.
Salt just brightens the flavor. It's amazing. I've made it for years, 25 years without salt. And then I got that idea and I tried it and it made it better. Okay, so we're going to mix this together. Just whisk it so it all gets combined. And then we're going to pour in just a little bit of, I'm using our cream, our A2 cream, which has none of the A1, so a lot of people who don't do well on dairy can use it. We're going to pour in the rest of the 2 cups. We're going to stir it carefully so we don't spill it. And then we're going to add 1 more cup, so we have a total of 3 cups. Okay, we have our 3 cups of cream. Pour it in. Make sure it's all going. Now I'm going to have to plug in the ice cream maker because we want to pour it in here while it's running so it doesn't get stuck and not work. Okay, so we have our ice cream maker.
Why would it get stuck? Because the sides are...
Well, what happens is if you put it in and then turn it on, it's had a chance to adhere to those frozen cold sides. So if you've got it moving, it just keeps everything moving more easily. So
we're gonna have some noise.
Yes, so we're going to have noise. So when the noise starts, just know I'm going to be pouring it in here. Then we're going to take a pause and let it go for 27, 28 minutes. A little bit of noise, but that's okay because what will we get when it's done? Ice cream. So we'll be right back with the finished product. It's ice cream time.
Well, let me come around and get a video. Final product. Oh my gosh, what's this?
Yogurt time.
It's fun time at the Townsley house.
Okay, so how do you know if it's done? You take this off. Now that looks like amazing ice cream. Oh my goodness, this is so, so, so good. So we need to take the paddle out, and you don't get to lick all of it. We're going to take the ice cream off. Doesn't that just look amazing? Now when you freeze this, because you can't eat it all at one time, my goodness, that would be too much. It will be a little bit hard, so you just need to let it set and soften a little bit, and then it's just delightful.
So it's kind of soft serve right now, right?
Yeah, this is when it's really, really good. So I'm going to, of course, have to taste it.
Now, do you make chocolate or caramel sauce or put sprinkles on this, or what do you do, Cheryl?
No, every now and then I'll make sort of a ganache, which is just a half a cup of cream and maybe a third of a cup of, I like the Enjoy chocolate chips or whatever ones you like. You want to heat the cream till it's just starting to bubble, and then put your chocolate chips in or whatever chocolate you want to use, and then stir it till it totally dissolves the chocolate, and then you can pour it, not piping hot, over the ice cream, and it's great. But you know what? Ice cream is delicious all by itself. So Cheryl's going to put some in a bowl.
And what if people wanted this in different flavors? Have you ever made this other than vanilla flavor?
No, because I just like vanilla. Now you could add other flavorings, but we're just giving you the basics and then play with it. So, ice cream. It's a little bit later than I normally eat. It's a little bit later than I normally do videos, but I can't resist when it's in its best form. This is so good. And I like it because it's not too sweet. It's just not too sweet. There's only 3 tablespoons. Or if you were doing the monk fruit liquid, 1 to 2 teaspoons, just so it tastes right for you.
Now, if they're adjusting the sweetener, can they add sweetener after the fact if they didn't put enough in early?
No, you have to decide before you make the ice cream. So I would start with 2 teaspoons of liquid or 3 tablespoons of what I used. The little piggy is eating all of her ice cream. Now I have made it with coconut cream milk combination. It works. Long time ago I put in some pumpkin. So I made a pumpkin ice cream. That was years ago. This is just easy. So from here I'll take it and put it in a glass container, put it in the freezer, and it'll be ready, and it'll last a couple of weeks for us because I don't eat it every day because this is a treat. I had my treat today. It's time for you at home to make a treat. You can find ice cream makers online. There's different brands. Like I said, this is one I've had for about 25, maybe 30 years. This is what goes in the freezer. This and this and this don't. It's simple. Kids can make it. Just enjoy ice cream at home.